independently. Just only on their own. Only on their own. Reads, comprehend, and respond to complex text independently.
You can frame them into groups. Very good. Okay. It's very good. So, forming them into groups based on their level. Like above your age children, say for example, there is a group. You can take up 2 above your age students and 2 average students and 2 below average. And 1 you can take as a gifted child also, who is very brilliant. Okay? So group of 7. Where here you have a leader, gifted child, who reads very good. Then 2 are above average and 2 are average. And other
Majesty to the today's meeting, he has some questions. How to lead the kingdom for its well-being, and the letter asks her 3 questions.
I am thinking for a very long time, and I am very disturbed. I want to know the answers to certain things in my life. I am not able to sleep because of that. I have 3 questions which are disturbing me.
Can you share the special activities that you are doing for the improvement of the beginner level students, the students who are not able to identify the letters? Please, I want 1 or 2 responses from here. 1 or 2 responses from here.
Flashcards we have made.
Flashcards. So showing the flashcards.
The
Pictures.
They have to match the
Match. Good. So matching the pictures with the letters. That's good idea.
So, small
Yes.
letters. All of them are identified as capital letters. For
Yes.
small letters,
Yes.
strokes are written the upper strokes D, D, H,
Yes.
and lower stroke like Y, C,
Why?
and medium that
Yes.
are different lengths.
Yes. So that can be done. Any other special activities that you are using?
practice writing in 4 line book.
Practice writing in 4 lines. That's also very important. Nowadays, students are, if we tell students to write any kind of text on 4 lines, they simply write without following the rules. Even though they know the rules, but they don't follow those rules. That is also the biggest problem that I am experiencing in my school. So what is the case in your school?
Oh, little ducks came back.
Only 4 little ducks came back.
Oh, little ducks came back. 4 little ducks
4 little ducks
went out one day
went out one day
over the hill like.
After announcement in column B, after listening to the announcement. So it means we need to give them the table first. We need to show them the table first before making them listening to the announcement. Then we can just make them listen to the announcement. 1 is done for you, that is given. So I am not showing, as you are teachers, you have understood what should be done. You need to find out, students need to find out only the place where that announcement takes place. I am not showing it to you. I am just directly playing that. Audios, 3 or 4 audios, minimize my difficulty, sir.
Hi, Sachi. Nice to meet you. Sir, I came to know that you are serving Indian Army as a captain and took part in the war. Yeah.
Status of education report. Sir, we call it annual status of education report 2022. Karnataka rural analysis based on data from households. It has been not conducted in the schools. It has been not conducted in the schools. It has been conducted in the households. The survey had been conducted in the 30 districts out of 30 districts. And this survey gives us that reading, learning assessments are conducted in the household. As I already told you, it has been conducted in the household. And the children from the age group of 5 to 16